In this tutorial, I'll explain how to compute the specific surface area or the raw surface area from a tomography sample using the PuMA software. Assuming the installation is complete, the PuMA software can be run by just typing PuMA into any terminal window. In order to compute the specific surface area, first a 3D image must be imported or generated. In this case, I'm going to use the tomography sample that comes with the PuMA software and a slightly smaller sample size since these tutorials are being recorded on a laptop. On a large desktop, you're really not limited to this amount of size. You can go up to much larger, including, we've run samples all the way up to 1600 cubed or 2000 cubed. So really the limit just comes down to the amount of RAM available on your machine. The voxel length must be specified, which in this case is 0.65 micrometers, and then the domain is imported. The next step is to select the grayscale cutoff. In this case, a grayscale cutoff of about 87 is appropriate. This specifies that everything between 87 and 255 is considered to be material, while anything outside of that range is considered to be void. In the case that the second cutoff is all the way to the maximum value of 255, this can be left blank and it will assume that. When the threshold has been applied, the porosity is shown and a visualization can be created here. In order to compute the surface area, you must move to Material Properties, Surface Area, and then Calculate Surface Area. This will compute the marching cubes algorithm or execute the marching cubes algorithm, and then the overall surface area will be computed as a sum of all the individual triangle areas. So in this case, that's about 16 million triangles, where each individual triangle area is being computed and then summed over them. And you can see that we have a total surface area of about 2.3 times 10 to the minus 6 meters squared. The specific surface area then is the raw surface area divided by the volume. So it has the units of 1/meters. And for typical carbon fiber materials like this, on a large enough sample size, it's around 40,000 to 50,000. And that concludes computing the surface area in the PuMA software.